So okay, as you see me here, this is just refreshing some practice in Java, and I start doing more of these in modular fashion in order to, and based on how I realize about it is okay, let me show you. You see it marked up here, this initiated. So I'm just gonna change up here starting initiated process. Started initiated process. Well, yeah, started initiated process. That would be like starting the initiated process, like the get-go process, you know, right? However you want to interpret it, but I think it sounds right. It could just be initiating initiating boot. Sector. Initiating boot sector. Yeah, but the whole thing is just what I gathered from this is I did a constructor and I put this in this a few norms. Yeah, based on how I see it go on, how I did it. I just let me see. So I just put in the constructor constructor. Yeah, right. So you see me, I just did it, testing it out, seeing how it did, and seeing how this module are working. Because I normally know my programs and just might need one code. And here's one thing that I discovered from it. I mainly discovered is it's just like, so if I was to change this one over here to from num to string name and was to run it, actually that looked like if it boot up a little bit faster, because normally my single one would have took a little longer and then whoop. But either way, it could probably take all the processing off of one page and simultaneously in different pages. So yeah, that's like dual inline memory module. That's pertaining to like you know, dynamic memory. You know, when you had DIMMs, dual inline memory module. Well, you know, static memory and dynamic memory. You know, static memory, just with the dynamic memory, you could just be doing alternating between the two, switching fast. You know, so that's all. Thank you, and really follow. Do what you think best. So, hey, look up for more. You know, alright. Isn't this confusing the way how I talk? But hey, look about it. It's just a way you are going to be enticed to be. Alright, how am I stopping this now?